na masomwa at the constituency level so no we say the president so me say me the member of parliament for the good people of Vijay East.
Yeah.
I mean you begin parliamentary enough for more. Na fi committee adwuma hodo e beto aba ye dawo ya no ye say yemfa yense ne resources adaje ne yemmoa menua na edidimu na de abedu at the regional level unim say NDC yewo legal directorate ewo regional level na me deputy director na answer na no after say lose the 2016 general elections no and afutu no free esroba ha say regions no yemo modern see betete legal teams in the various regions esan so mu say esese koku bi kan bo ni ebo party na me yesa aba power nti e de na akoye mra the legal team
okay
unum na mfa to mo so meti sagu no Ashanti.
Oh so be kan
NDC me identify NDC lawyers or region mu ehu ni adin na obia nyinanim na me gimanim me the lawyers for the chassis 2017 and them no ka say me over 70 lawyers on the NDC platform legal team
in the Ashanti region.
More are coming in the 2024 election. It deploy lawyers to various
I more
collation
centers ahodo ya
say emran say ningina ka ho na boy a is so obi kwa no obi adwene say obey rigging sem ya no anya juma because you say in 2020 near maybe go so several infractions obi enim say in that election kwa no ebianke winning no hu say ato about Ghana hada obi awin central ni greater Accra no ya win general elections da na parliament yes ya tie 137 ningina onim the CC wo Churchman South no ya ne ma so we also no ya dia seat bi efri ensa it was clear say 2029 election bi a say so ne ma no ya anka ye fine iti yen kofem koye auditing ne ade nyina no medimo akotene iti me na mete NDC legal team Ashanti region.
Wow.
I ne constituency bia ya assign lawyer na lawyers ama wo say wo how bia fresh lawyer we abaya permanent ya structure idea to
Timo assign lawyers said the ama
constituency bia
all the constituencies in the Ashanti region.
So we how am free lawyer we first say the be ya wo your party na wo your dwuma hu bia enim kane wo ya yes ya chi nipa bo ha wo ye ni wo nyasem na omusuro this party for na nya ahotoso say lawyer for so ebo echido o ta say
wow
at the national level lawyer for ku na fi bia ekohia e o ba bi ekoye ihia die the central planning committee no so meka ho afi bia o ta say iti enem no kwese Ghana ha ba bia no NDC legal teams no ya chiche ye wama constituency bia region bia mo the party for ye dwuma me nsu